Hey graders, if studying has felt impossible lately, this video is for you. You open your textbook for the 10th time today. Your mind goes blank. Your phone is right there. One reel feels more interesting than the entire chapter, and studying suddenly feels like the hardest thing in the world. You tell yourself, I'll study when I feel motivated. But here's the problem. You're waiting for something that will never come. The students who top exams don't have more motivation than you. They know one secret that changes everything. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm showing you exactly what it is. Zero motivation isn't laziness. It's not a character flaw. It's your brain literally running out of fuel. And right now, 5 specific things are killing your motivation one by one. Most students don't know these 5 things exist. That's why they stay stuck. Today, we're fixing all 5. Each one has a specific fix, backed by neuroscience, supported by data, and actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you feel empty and exactly how to change it. Let's go. One, your dopamine baseline is destroyed. Every time you check Instagram, get a notification, or watch a reel, your brain gets a dopamine hit, a quick reward. Your phone is training your brain to reject studying. Studies show that just having your phone near you, face down, silent, reduces focus. And when you sit down to study, something that feels slow and gives results much later, your brain says, why would I do this when I could do that? Something that feels slow and gives results much later, your brain says, why would I do this when I could do that? Put your phone in a different room. Not your pocket, not your drawer, another room. This single act resets your dopamine baseline and makes studying feel possible again. Research shows students who study without their phones nearby focus better and retain more information. 2. You're waiting for a feeling, not creating an action. You believe motivation comes first, then action. That's backwards. Neuroscience says action creates motivation, not the other way around. It's called the activation energy theory. Starting is the hardest part. Continuing is easy. Your brain releases dopamine when you move, not when you wait. Tell yourself, I will study for 2 minutes only. That's it, just 2 minutes. Most students realize something surprising once they finally begin. Continuing is way easier than starting. The momentum is real. One student, Ria, tried this during her exam preparation. She told herself she would study for just 2 minutes because even opening the book felt exhausting that day. But once she started, those 2 minutes turned into almost 45 minutes of studying. Not because she suddenly became motivated, but because starting removed the mental resistance. 3. Your goals are too big. You tell yourself, I'll study chemistry today. That's not a clear goal. That's a giant task. And your brain naturally avoids tasks that feel overwhelming. Humans are motivated by small wins, not big, distant mountains. Each small win gives your brain a sense of progress, and that makes continuing easier. Replace big goals with micro goals. Not study chemistry, but solve 3 mole concept questions. Not finish the chapter, but read 4 pages. Small, specific, completable. Students with micro goals complete 2.5 times more work and report higher motivation. 4. You have zero accountability. Studying alone without anyone knowing equals easy to quit. Your brain doesn't see a reason to keep going. Social accountability increases follow-through by 65%. When someone else knows your goal, your brain activates a commitment mechanism. Send 1 text to a friend right now. I'm studying for 45 minutes. Hold me accountable. That's it. 1 text. Students with an accountability partner have 3 times higher completion rates than solo students. Even better, study with someone in the same room or on a video call. Problem 5. Your dopamine is so low you can't even start. Sometimes your brain is so fried that even 2 minutes feels impossible. You need a dopamine reset before you start. Physical movement increases dopamine instantly. New environments trigger novelty dopamine signals and help your brain feel more awake. Do one of these before studying. 1. Move. 10 jumping jacks, a 5-minute walk, or stretch. Movement equals instant dopamine. 2. Change environment. Sometimes your brain gets too comfortable in the same environment. Go to a library, move to a different room, sit outside. 3. Cold exposure. Splash cold water on your face or take a 10-second cold shower. Cold water helps wake your brain up and increases alertness almost instantly. Pick one, do it. Then start your 2-minute study session. Many students notice better focus and energy after doing a quick mental reset before studying. Listen, if you've been feeling unmotivated for days or weeks, that's not a reflection of who you are. It's not a sign you'll fail. It's just a moment, and moments pass. Every topper you admire has sat exactly where you are right now, staring at a book, feeling empty, wanting to give up. The difference between them and most students, they opened the book anyway, for just 2 minutes. Zero motivation is not your identity. It's a state, and states change the moment you take action. You are capable of so much more than your worst days make you feel. Bad study days don't decide your future. What matters is whether you start again tomorrow. So here are your 5 fixes. 1. Phone in another room. Reset dopamine baseline. 2. Commit to 2 minutes only. Action creates motivation. 3. Set micro goals. Small, specific, completable. 4. Send one accountability text. More likely to continue. 5. Do one dopamine reset. Movement, environment, or cold water. 5 things done one time. Everything changes. Isn't something you find. It's something you build. 1 2-minute session at a time. The student who starts when they don't feel like it, that's the student who wins. That student is you. If this helped you, subscribe to The Smart Grader for real science-backed strategies every week. Comment the one subject you keep procrastinating the most. I read every single one. And the study method toppers use but never talk about? Watch that video next. I'll see you there.